In this video, I'll show you how to save WhatsApp photos automatically to your phone's gallery. If the images you receive on WhatsApp are not appearing in your gallery, don't worry. By changing a simple setting, you can make all your downloaded photos show up automatically. Just follow these easy steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner to open the Options menu. From there, tap Settings. Next, select Chats from the list of settings. Inside the Chats menu, you'll see an option called Media Visibility. Turn on the Media Visibility toggle. When this option is enabled, photos and videos you receive through WhatsApp will automatically become visible in your phone's gallery or Photos app, making them much easier to find and view. If you don't want this feature enabled for every conversation, WhatsApp also lets you control it for individual chats. Simply open the chat you want to customize, tap the contacts or group's name at the top of the screen, and then select Media Visibility. Choose Yes to allow media from that specific chat to appear in your gallery. This is especially useful if you only want photos from certain contacts to be saved while keeping others hidden. Keep in mind that this setting only affects newly downloaded media. If older photos aren't showing up in your gallery, you may need to download them again or check whether they were previously deleted from your device. And that's it. You have successfully enabled automatic photo saving in WhatsApp. From now on, any new images you receive in chats with media visibility turned on will automatically appear in your gallery, making it easy to access, organize, and share your favorite photos whenever you need them.